Have you ever played chess? This is a favorite board game of myself and my 8-year-old son. But why am I mentioning chess? Back in a time when I was young, I wanted to join one chess tournament organized in my town. It was small local tournament, nothing big, just for fun. So I asked my friend who was playing chess professionally to teach me how to play this properly. So he started to showing me how to move the pieces on the board. And I told him, I know this already, but it doesn't help me that much. I cannot win the game. So then he showed me something that is called Sicilian defense and Queen's Gambit. Both these fancy names were for opening up the game in the way that I protect my king, and in the same time I prepare my figures to go to offense once I see the opportunity. Once he showed me those strategies, I was really surprised how easy it is and how powerful. The result? I played 3 games in that tournament, 1 win, 1 time, 1 lose. Not bad for a novice. What I want to say by this? Many trainings about ABAP, they focus on explaining to you what is class, what is object, what is interface, etc. They are literally teaching you how to move pieces on a chessboard and how to move them properly. However, it is not enough. You need to understand how to apply these concepts. For that, I will teach you how to play Sicilian defense and Queen's Gambit in ABAP world. And this is the goal of the entire coaching program.